Malians, they use to stop this boy. Now because of cults.
Everybody in your world, please help me if I die.
One thing, wait.
People need to start appreciating the effort I put into not being a serial killer.
Protests and vigils from Lagos to London have been triggered by the unexplained death of a young Nigerian rapper, exposing the shadowy side of the billion-dollar Afrobeats music industry. Born Ilerioluwa Oladimeji Aloba, MohBad was a rapidly emerging singer whose club songs Peace and Feel Good shot to the top of Nigeria's streaming charts. Earlier this month, MohBad passed away in a Lagos hospital. Anger about possible foul play has been aroused by his unexpected death at the age of 27, as well as the rush to bury him in the wee hours of the next morning. Many fans said they associated with the hard-working young artist who was also a singer and songwriter who was cut down in his prime, and they have flocked to the streets in numerous Nigerian cities to demand a full inquiry. Over the course of the last 20 years, the Afrobeats music scene has transformed from a little-known genre to a global industry, with Nigerian performers like Burna Boy, Davido, Wizkid, and Tiwa Savage selling out venues both domestically and internationally. Afrobeats has emerged as a symbol of hope and a medium of expression for Nigerian youth, who make up around 70% of the 200 million people living in the country and have little access to the global economy. Wemimo, a 29-year-old fan, expressed his sadness. All of us are deeply affected by the guy's bullying. That is something no one should have to endure. The allegations of bullying are related to issues that MohBad disclosed following his departure from his record company in 2018. He claimed to have been mistreated and to be owed royalties. Also, MohBad had uploaded several videos of himself hurt in what he said were attacks carried out on orders from powerful people in the industry. In a letter to Lagos police after his death on September 12th, MohBad claimed he was attacked by some individuals during a film shoot and that they had threatened to kill him. The letter was leaked to the local press. Prominent Nigerian officials, such as the governor of Lagos State and the head of the Senate Committee on the Creative Economy, have reassured MohBad's followers that legal procedures will be adhered to in order to determine the reason for his demise. His body was excavated by Lagos police last week, and they also performed an autopsy. The results are still being withheld. This month, Calm Down, a song featuring American singer Selena Gomez and Nigerian singer Rima, achieved a significant milestone for the genre. It became the first African lead vocal song to receive 1 billion Spotify plays. Segun Akande, a former record label executive, claimed that there is a seedier aspect to the music, despite its growing popularity. According to him, the music industry has always drawn sketchy personalities from throughout the world, including Nigeria. There have long been rumors in the Afrobeats scene that affluent drug dealers, online scammers, and other criminal organizations frequently entice up-and-coming musicians with financial backing. Though more structure has been added to the genre by the participation of reputable international labels like Universal and Sony, Akande said that the guys on the lower end are still shut out, alluding to musicians from less fortunate backgrounds like MohBad. Because music is so expensive to make and promote, talented people have no choice but to look for funding from dubious sources, he continued. MohBad gained notoriety for his Afro-Adura songs, a subgenre of Afrobeats, wherein rappers or singers sing or rap about working hard and hoping for a better life. Young Nigerians who reside in working-class areas of Lagos, like Ikorodu, where MohBad was born, are fond of the song. Last Friday, amid the cacophony of vuvuzela horns, fans wearing white t-shirts, some featuring an image of the late rapper, yelled "Justice for MohBad" at a candlelight tribute in Lagos. In remembrance of the artist whose Yoruba nickname was Imole, which means light, They also lit a lantern and released it. Light is here, darkness has vanished, they chanted. Imole tide okunkun parada. It hurts so much that he died, Ojo, a MohBad fan, added. This cannot be the way the music industry continues to operate. We want to prevent any more horrible things from happening in the sector now that everything has been made public. Regards for viewing, please subscribe for more.